Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. In this video, I will show you how we can assign a local admin access to a user on laptops via Microsoft Entra Admin or Azure Portal via a role called Microsoft Entra Join Device Local Administrator. We have to go to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Then select the user from the list. On the user task, select Assigned Roles. It will load a page called Directory Roles. Search for the role. Select the role called Microsoft Entra Join Device Local Administrator and click on Add button. While doing this setting, when the user login, he will get the local admin access. He can do local admin level access on the PC, such as installing softwares, edit registry like more task. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Follow for new videos and updates.